Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna mousse. First, ensure your canned tuna is thoroughly drained to avoid a watery mousse. Next, soften your cream cheese to ensure a smooth, lump-free mixture. Measure out 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise for richness. Finally, finely mince 1/4 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion to add a delightful crunch and flavor to your mousse. These simple steps set the foundation for a perfect dish. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a medium bowl, gently flake the drained tuna. Add the softened cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Incorporate the minced celery and red onion, ensuring they are evenly distributed. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent texture. Avoid overmixing to maintain some tuna texture. Once mixed, transfer your tuna mousse to a decorative serving dish or a small mold. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap to prevent any odors from the refrigerator. It's crucial to chill the mousse for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the mousse to firm up. Before serving, consider garnishing with fresh parsley or a sprig of dill for an appealing presentation. Serve it with your favorite crackers or fresh vegetables. To elevate your tuna mousse, consider adding 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice for a bright, zesty kick. Always taste and adjust the seasoning to your preference. Some might enjoy a pinch more pepper or a dash of hot sauce. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Store any leftover mousse in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. This ensures you can enjoy this delightful treat for longer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.